"I don't believe in God, but I believe in science," is a common response from atheists when asked if they believe in God, so we'll respond to that. Let's start with defining science. Science is the study of the natural world, i.e., universe and cosmos, using inductive and deductive reasoning. A common misconception people have is that science provides us with absolute truths. This is simply not the case, as evidenced by this article published on Scientific American by author Naomi Oreskes titled "If You Say, Science is Right, You're Wrong." Naomi Oreskes is a Harvard University professor of science history. She is the author of the book Why Trust Science? In the article, she discusses how you can't say science is true or permanent, because it can't provide absolute truths about the world, but it can only bring us closer to them. In other words, science is the study from which we obtained our current knowledge and understanding of the natural world. And the reason why I said it is current is because our knowledge and understanding of the natural world is constantly evolving. Now I'd like to ask you all a question. How can you reject the creator of something you're still learning about? I.e., universe and cosmos. Consider the following scenario. A group of travelers discovered an extraterrestrial mysterious phenomenon in the Amazon forest that is mutating the living beings within it, similar to the movie Annihilation. As the news spreads, the world gathers and tries to stop it because it is spreading like wildfire and mutating everything in its path. Authorities began using inductive and deductive reasoning to investigate this strange phenomenon, but they are unable to determine why it began in the first place, nor do they know how to stop it. Authorities began to speculate that it could be alien technology. Now, the media is interviewing people and asking them if they believe aliens are behind this strange phenomenon. Some say most likely, some say maybe, and some say I don't know. But there were few people who said I don't believe in aliens, I believe in science. Now this answer is very foolish because you are assuming that current knowledge and understanding about this mysterious strange phenomenon reject the idea that maybe aliens are behind it. People nowadays say the same thing when answering big questions about life, that there is no creator out there. It's sad that some people don't even want to consider the possibility that God exists. So, at the end of the day, the big questions about life remain unanswered. Why our natural world exists, i.e., universe and cosmos. Why do inanimate objects become living beings? Why do we exist, and what is our life's purpose? Why is there something rather than nothing? Surprisingly, Allah already addresses these types of questions in the Quran, and I'll mention a few of them. Or were they created by nothing, or were they the creators of themselves? Or did they create the heavens and the earth? Rather, they are not certain. Consider these verses, and notice how Allah has already mentioned these quote-unquote possibilities. Make use of your deduction skills. Do you truly believe that everything originates from nothing? That's mathematically impossible because zero can never give you one. Or are you the creator of everything, including our universe and cosmos? Both of the possibilities make no sense, and the reality is that people are uncertain, and the reason I believe they are uncertain is that they remove God from the equation, removing the most logical and rational explanation for our existence. Now, someone may ask, what evidences do you have that God exists? Or, there are so many religions, which one should I believe? Well, in my upcoming videos, we will discuss that, but bringing science to the table when it comes to disbelief in God, as in the example above, makes no sense. If you like our content, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for latest updates.